Hi, it's Rich at Marvelous Ministry. 2 Corinthians 5:17. Therefore, if any man be in Christ, he is a new creature. Old things are passed away. Behold, all things are become new. And all things are of God, who hath reconciled us to himself by Jesus Christ, and hath given to us the ministry of reconciliation. Well, that's a little bit different than Romans 10:9 and 10. In Christ. Think of the old nature, the sin, the willfully sinning, the enjoyment of sin, the desires for sin, the flesh-led life. Well, this says that that's gone when you are in Christ. You're a new creation. Are you there yet?